So we've already started seeing an increasing trend of people not opting for lump sum investments. People have been investing through SIPs and in that way participating at various points of time. So probably if there's an investor whose thought market has fallen today and wants to take advantage of it, may would have missed out, but an SIP investor has not. So that itself is reshaping the entire trend. I think the numbers that we're looking in SIPs today across the world, this is a mammoth sort of movement which has started, and that itself will now step up onto the step up SIP. The people will start understanding that okay, just one time participation is not good. In future we should also start increasing that percentage, and I think once they start looking at the benefits of what this has created, they will link that too. So I think step up SIP, top up SIP, that's going to be the next trend. So technology changes which have come in, and I think post 2020 COVID period, how it has impacted everybody's seen. But the real benefit should be given to 2016, because we saw cheap internet, low cost internet, I would say. First time reduction in the real estate at that point of time, UPI, and demonetization. So COVID was only a catalyst, and that took the industry to another level. Technology today has helped the distribution community reach the last mile, I think, which was always a challenge because it was very cost dependent. Today, somebody sitting in various parts of the cities or the countries can reach out to a large format investors. And I think we have seen that happen on the social media in a large way. Whether right, wrong is a debatable aspect, but it has helped the movement in retail industry. And so reaching the last mile connectivity, giving to the investors, especially exchanges, platforms, all that, even the website applications and all, I think that has helped reach. So the last mile connectivity got solved with the technology. So while we have got here so far, I think the biggest challenge that is which will come up now is people have started, but they don't know what is the next step. And I think that sometimes looking at how markets are, greed and fear, people will make some mistakes. And I think educating them that what is the right way of going forward, that is the biggest challenge that we have. Of course, with mutual funds IA campaign, industry largely tried to achieve the awareness. Now, within that, it's about what is right and at what risk. I think that is one challenge which I'm confident that with the campaign, sort of, the next phases would probably try to address that bit and take this even more deeper. I think some interesting trends are emerging. Of course, we have all seen the SIP trend happening, and today, we can grow multifold there. But I think the next trend which will emerge out of this is once a person understands that once they receive extra money, once they receive appraisals, incentives, should they not be topping up the SIP? And I think that will be the next big trend. Another trend which will happen is, as in the next 10 years, 15 years, you will find people retiring. People, the adoption of SWPs will also go up. And I think that also needs to be spoken about a bit. So these are next two trends within the systematic investments. The other, like I said, SIP is a three-letter powerful word, but the other three-letter powerful words are SWP and SIP top up. I think that trend will emerge soon.